Is your left AirPod not working? Don't worry, it's a common issue and there are several ways to fix it. Whether it's a connection glitch, audio setting problem, or a charging issue, we've got some simple troubleshooting steps to help you get it working again. Solution 1. Factory reset your AirPods. Resetting the AirPods is the first and most surefire way to solve issues like this. But first, you need to forget your AirPods. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap Bluetooth. In here, find your AirPods and tap the eye icon next to it. Select Forget this device and confirm your action. After this, get your AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you will need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you'll have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, try to connect the AirPods and see if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 2. Clean the charging port. Another main reason why your left AirPod is not working is probably because it's not getting any charge. So open the lid of your AirPods and bring out your left AirPod. Now, first, just blow into the charging hole in the AirPod to bring out the pent-up dust. If that doesn't work, get a cotton bud or something similar to clean the charging area of your left AirPod. After that, put both of the AirPods in the case and charge your AirPods with the charger. After charging it, connect it with your iPhone and check your issue. Solution 3. Change audio balance. So go to your iPhone settings and scroll down a bit and tap Accessibility. Now scroll down once more and tap Audio and Visual. In here, toggle off Mono Audio. After that, scroll down a bit and go to the Balance section. Make sure the balance slider is set in the middle. If it's set to the left side or the right side, it can cause issues like this. So do this and get out from your settings. Now try to play some music or video. That should do the trick. Hopefully your issue is now resolved. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like. And if you want more quick fixes like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.